That last video was getting a little long, so I ended it. So continuing on with still the same problem, part E and F are application problems. It says, what does the model from part D predict the GDP to be in 2034? We're going to round to 3 decimal places as needed. So what is this representing right here? If we're in the year, it told me at the beginning that X is represented by the number of years after 2000. So we're representing by X. And I need to know how many years after 2000 are we? And that's 34. So since that's my X, we're going to use trace 34, enter. And the GDP is in money. So here I need to either unhighlight my X cubed so that that's not on there, or you can just clear it completely off since that's not the best fit. We're not using our X cubed, we're using that quartic. And I also want to make sure I turn that plot 1 off. So here is my graph. So I took out my cubic, or at least unhighlighted it, and then unhighlighted my plot 1. And now I can do trace 34, enter. And we get right here, and it says to round to 3 decimal places. So that is 58.378. That 3 will make that 8 stay. 58.378. And this is in trillions. Okay, now going opposite. What does the model from part D predict the DP will, when will it predict? So when means I'm solving for X, I'm solving for my time. When does the model predict the GDP will reach 200 trillions of dollars? So this is my Y. So because I cleared my Y1, I'm going to put this in as my Y1. If I hadn't cleared that X cubed, you could put this in as your Y3. Doesn't matter which Y you put it in. You can pick Y to the 8th if you want. Just put it in some Y. So I'm going to put this in Y, and then I'm going to find the intersection. So I said Y1 already here on Y3, so I'm just going to put it there. And I'm going to hit graph, and I can see that intersection point. So now find that intersection. So we're going to go to calc by going second trace, number 5. So either arrow down or just hit 5, and then hit enter 3 times. So enter, enter, enter. And there is my X. Does this one tell me how to round to the nearest year? So X is about 57.8. A little bit nicer. 57.8, which is about 58. So therefore, we are in the year of 2058. 2000 plus 58.